That's how we're doing, guys. We've done the big bit of the job, so today we are using the Pureseal graffiti removal products. We've got to do the customer's wall down the sides. So let's have a look at it. So it's not massively heavy graffiti. But this is his kind of wall to his garden, so he wants this cleaned up, and we've got the blocker which we're also going to put on as well. So we're gonna use it and see how we get on. So we've just finished using the formidable graffiti removal from Pureseal. Yeah, really impressed with it, to be honest. Let's have a look at the results. The colours you see, we thought was actually bits of spray, but it's actually in the brick. We checked it against the house. So we've got the vast majority off. Our customer's happy with it. We have tried and tried, that's just not coming out, but it's never going to be perfect, is it? The colours that you can see in the brick are actually parts of the brick. But yeah, it's done a really good job taking this off. The bits we've struggled with most are the white sections. The white paint is an absolute pain. It just struggling to come out at all. So there's a little section we've tried and tried and tried on this section. But I mean, it's way better than it was. The blacks also, and we've dulled it right down, and the end bit. So if you remember when I took the video, I mean, this was absolutely covered, and it's looking sweet as now. So yeah, I mean, this product here has got the vast majority off, and this is without steam. Everyone was saying, oh, you need heat, you need steam. Well, we haven't got that. We haven't got heat, we haven't got steam, because we just wouldn't use it enough to put the investment in. I mean, maybe it's something for the future, but yeah, I mean, we've got good results without heat, without steam, so customers happy. We've got the vast majority off. So yeah, really happy with this. So what we've got to do now is wait for the wall to dry. We're going to go off and do a few more bits and bobs around the front, and then we've got the graffiti block pro to apply. So we're gonna brush all that on, or roller it on, we're not sure yet. Yeah, and then this should be done. Nice one, guys. Yeah, so we've tried a masonry brush, but definitely a masonry roller is way more effective for applying the graffiti block pro. We've got some more left, so we've really got to slop it on them. You have to get a nice thick layer on it. That is the graffiti block pro applied. It looks great when it's on. I don't know what it's going to look like when it's cured. It says it takes 3 hours, but it looks fantastic. It gives a really, really nice finish to the brick. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see what it's like once it's cured. So off 10 litres, we got exactly this amount done. You see right to the end there. So we got to, and then all the way down to the end. So that works really well.